Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza dough at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of warm water, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Also, have 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil ready. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious homemade pizza crust. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine the warm water, yeast, and sugar. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. Then, add the flour, salt, and olive oil, stirring until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 5 to 7 minutes until smooth and elastic. Patience is key for a light and airy crust. Place your kneaded dough into a lightly oiled bowl, turning it once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a clean towel and let it rise in a warm place for 60 to 90 minutes or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and it's ready to be shaped. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone or baking steel inside for best results. Carefully transfer your shaped and topped pizza onto the hot surface. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Enjoy your delicious homemade pizza. For an effortless cleanup, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.